I wish I had all the answers. Wish I could give you a plan. With those steps we wouldn't take, and I wouldn't be your Swiss Army man. All of a sudden, I'm at the crossroads. I still don't know who I am. How can I think about being a step ahead when I don't even know where to stand? Your so-called Swiss Army man. I look back to where we started. That day I took your hand. We've always known it wasn't us behind the wheel. The future ain't for us to understand. But I still go back to my old ways, trying to hold it all in my hand. How many miracles have to happen? Get me to stop worshiping my plans. I just want to be that Swiss Army man. Oh, it happens once in a while. I get brought to the end of myself. It sounds kind of funny, but when I push past the pain, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. So I take this back to our story. Though I don't have a foolproof plan, I realize all I need to be your man is love and serve you with all I have. And by grace I'll be your Swiss Army man.